Hello guys, this is Miss Brito here. Today you guys are going to learn how to find the volume of a pyramid. To find the volume of a pyramid, there's a formula that says that the volume is going to be 1/3 times the area of the base. Don't forget, from previous objectives we learned that this B, capital B, stands for the area of the base, times the height, and the height is a regular perpendicular height. Perpendicular and is in the center of your pyramid. Do not forget that. And we've seen what that H stands for from previous objectives. Okay, so the steps here to find the volume, it says first identify and or find the area of the base. And that area of the base, we always again write it down as a capital B. So I'm going to identify the base because my base not all the time is going to be a rectangle, which I see right away that it's a rectangle. Sometimes it could be a triangle itself, or it could be a pentagon, it could be a square, it could be any other two-dimensional shape that we've dealt with before. So that's why it's very crucial for you to identify the base, because then you can use the right area to find, or the right formula to find the area of the base. So when I identify on step 1 the base, then I find the area of the base. So step 1, the area of the base, and I'm just gonna put A and a little rectangle because I identify my base to be a rectangle. It's gonna be base times height. And we're just focusing on the rectangle. The base of my rectangle is clearly a 7, and the height of the rectangle is 8. So the area of the rectangle is 7 times 8, which is 56. And again, this is my capital B, very important. Now I'm going to find the height of the pyramid, or identify it, because sometimes it's already provided to you. You just need to make sure you know what it looks like. So in this case, step 2, I see that the height, which is always perpendicular to the base and goes from the center of your base all the way up to the vertex, my height is just 10. Okay, do not confuse the height with the slant height, which sometimes is provided to you instead, and we've seen that on previous objectives. But here clearly the height is just 10. And then for step 3, I'm just going to substitute the values into the formula. The volume is 1/3 B times H, and I'm just going to substitute and simplify it. I have 1/3 times the area of the base, which is 56, times my height, which is 10. And then I'm going to use my calculator to simplify. I have 56 times 10, and that is 560, and I divide that by 3. That is approximately, I'll put it over here, V equals approximately 186.7. to the 3rd power. Don't forget that the units is to the 3rd power with volume. And this is my answer. Shoot me a text or an email if you have any questions, and good luck with your worksheet.